What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So one thing that I haven't had within this time period of seeing crypto at some lows, right? Not only like, XRP or Terra Luna Classic or Jasmine Coin, but Bitcoin as well. One thing that I haven't had during this time while things are down is extra money, right? Typically in a down market, most people don't have extra money to spend because if they did, then it wouldn't be a down market, right? They would be buying into these positions and the market would be flourishing. But at a moment of struggle, people will look at what they do have and they'll go, oh, you know what? I'll just sit on what I do have and wait until things go up and then they'll start buying as things start to increase because that's when typically their inflow of cash, especially if you're primarily an investor, that's when you see the most positivity within your cash flow, let's say. Which sucks because you want to buy at the lows and sell at the high, but if it depends on what's happening with your positions, and to see whether you see cash flow, that's where it ends up being very tricky because now you can't buy at the lows, right? So you have to find a way to work your way in having some sort of cash flow to buy something. So, anyways, that was a long-winded way of saying I finally bought some more cryptocurrency. I bought more XRP today and maybe like a week ago because of one reason, right? And we're going to go into that reason in a little bit. But before we get into the detail of this video, make sure you guys check out the links down below. You hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you check out today's video sponsor, iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital is doing something that is honestly unheard of for a lot of crypto investors. If you invest into the stock market or you have a job or anything like that, you understand what a 401k is, what a Roth IRA is, what a traditional IRA is, all of that. But you haven't had the ability to really make those type of investments that you want to make in the cryptocurrency market within a Roth IRA until now. iTrustCapital is offering traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs on their platform, and they've been trusted for years at this point. You can buy and sell crypto, gold, and silver. You can use my link down below, but here's a situation, right? If you're buying on exchanges and you buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, it then grows to $60,000. You take $50,000 worth of profit, you're paying capital gains tax on that. If you have a Roth IRA, it's a different story. $10,000 in Bitcoin, $60,000 total, you have $50,000 in gain and you pay zero in those taxes when your withdrawal period hits. Now, if you have a traditional IRA, your taxes are deferred, which is also a benefit because now you can make money off of that tax money within your traditional IRA and then pay those taxes later on when it's all said and done and you're withdrawing your cryptocurrency, you're withdrawing your money. iTrustCapital is doing something again that you don't see. And especially having somebody as trusted as iTrustCapital doing that, I think it's a game changer. It's a win-win for all, and I think you guys need to check it out and give it a look. But we're going to be talking more about this in this video and the reason why I did buy more XRP. But definitely check out the link down below. I'll provide that at the top of the description as well as in the comment section so you guys can get a look and see for yourself how you would benefit from it. It's very simple, very easy to use, but definitely check out that link. Now, XRP. XRP currently stands at a price of $1.33. It is down by 1.4% in the last 24 hours. Volume is up, though, by 23%, $1.7 billion, almost $1.8 billion in volume. Volume to market cap ratio, 2%. We're at 531,000 holders and about 62 billion coins in circulation for the supply. In the last week, it's down by 3%. The last month, it's down by 5%. The last year, it's down by 42%. Now, within this year, I would have loved to have just found my way to just continue to buy more XRP at these levels, right? Where it stands right now, it's closing in on my cost basis. My cost basis is $1.22. So, especially with adding more XRP as we went along, my cost basis ended up increasing even It was before we hit the $3 mark or $3.65 mark, but I know it can go a lot further than that. So I have no issues with it. If it continues to come back down and we go down to $1 or sub $1, that is an opportunity to continue to buy more and have more. But with negativity that's happening in the market overall, right? If we look at the cryptocurrency market, a lot of things are falling. The overall market's down by 2%. And we see this consistently. Bitcoin was at 120, 130,000, and now it's down to 75,000. Ethereum down to 2,000. XRP down to $1.33, right? You see how far they have come down. But within this time period, it's difficult for anybody to buy anything. So I decided now that I'm going to buy cryptocurrency. I'm going to buy XRP. Now, why? Why did I decide right now that I'm going to make this move for XRP? One, I think $1.32 or $1.33 is a fantastic price for XRP. Yes, ultimately it will raise my cost basis from $1.22 to like $1.23 or $1.22.5 with how much XRP I have, but it still is a fantastic price, and I believe in it much further than that. But the main reason why I bought it was because of what we talked about in the beginning of this video. iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital is offering something that you don't see often, and that is an IRA, a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, and depending on what I do have in my how much I make within my taxable years, I can contribute to a Roth IRA or contribute to a traditional IRA. Now, I did contribute to a traditional IRA recently, and I bought more XRP, buying 334 XRP. Now, what I plan to do with this is I plan to have this as my forever balance, my true forever balance. I have a Ledger wallet where I have a forever balance, or I have a long-term balance, I guess. But this can truly be like my forever balance, because it will be my retirement plan within the crypto world, within the crypto sector. So I have a traditional IRA that has about $450 worth of XRP that's in it. And I also have a Roth IRA that I recently looked at, because I don't believe I'm going to hit the threshold or break that threshold for how much you can make to contribute to a Roth IRA. So I bought another $500 worth of XRP, or 367 XRP here. Now, I also bought ADA and Link as well, but I finally made that move to buy more cryptocurrency. And the whole reason why I decided to do that was because of having a potential retirement account specifically just for cryptocurrency. That to me is a game changer, because I have a Roth IRA, I have a traditional IRA that's invested in the S&P 500, that's invested into SCHD and many other growth dividend plays or REITs or something like that. But when it comes to the crypto market, I have nothing set for it. And I feel as though I need to have that. Yes, I can have things secure, put them in a safe, and be happy with that. But we're talking about seeing that growth, being able to make moves and buys and sells if I want to, and then still have it within this account where I don't get taxed on it. So let's say I do make XRP goes to $1,000 per coin, and I have 367 of it sitting in my my iTrustCapital Roth IRA. I then take out 100,000 and put that into other plays. No matter if I made, $100,000 or $99,500 on it, I still will not be taxed on that. Especially if it's a Roth IRA, it'll be completely wiped out once I get to that withdrawal period, right? Retirement age, basically. So I think that this is a game changer. That's why I decided to do it, and I'm going to consistently add to it. Just like I would and do with my my traditional IRA or Roth IRA that I have via the stock market. So I want to know what you guys think. I will probably buy more. It's not a crazy amount of XRP, but I did buy about $1,000 worth of XRP. It's nothing in comparison to what I already have, but it is going to be something that could potentially be that forever balance for me. It could be a few thousand XRP in the end, which there are people out there that only have a few thousand. And this can be sitting here as just my forever balance, just my long-term retirement balance in this cryptocurrency. Set it and forget it type stuff. So if you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, check out my link for iTrustCapital down below. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. They're doing big things over there with offering 250x leverage, 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,055, all of that stuff with no VPN and no KYC that's required. So definitely check that out. Link will be down there in the description. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.